Want to legally slash your tax bill without packing up for Puerto Rico? Let's dive right in.
Forget those offshore billionaire loopholes. We're unpacking perfectly legal, heavy-hitting tax shields built just for us. Ready to shrink your taxable footprint right from your living room? Let's start with everyday employee perks.
Got kids? A dependent care FSA lets you shield a massive $7,500 totally pre-tax.
Next, the health savings account. It's basically your secret weapon, offering a super rare triple tax advantage.
It's literally a stealth retirement fund. Invest up to $8,550, growing completely tax-free.
Picking a 2026 IRA? Just compare your current tax bracket to retirement. You paying now or later?
But watch out, traditional IRA deductions phase out incredibly fast if you've already got a workplace 401k.
Ready for some actual magic? An LLC legally transforms everyday personal expenses into perfectly valid business deductions.
The golden IRS rule here, your expenses just need to be ordinary and necessary for your specific business.
With real business intent, you're suddenly shielding your internet, home utilities, and even half your business meals?
Driving for work? The 2026 standard mileage rate lets you deduct a huge 72.5 cents per mile.
Set up an accountable plan. It's a superpower allowing your business to reimburse you completely tax-free.
Got a business? Hiring your kids is a brilliant, completely legal way to shift income into lower brackets.
Working from home? Easily write off your workspace using the simplified $5 per square foot deduction rate.
There's a huge difference between the heavy tax burden of a W-2 employee and an optimized LLC owner.
Even better, the permanent QBI deduction magically wipes away 20% of your taxable business income. Boom!
Awesome news for 2026. 100% bonus depreciation is back. Fully expense qualifying equipment purchases right away.
Want to drastically shrink those profits? A SEP IRA or solo 401k allows massive $72,000 tax-deductible contributions.
Keep immaculate records and separate bank accounts. Like they say, strategy is totally legal, sloppiness is absolutely not.
So, how small are you going to legally shrink your taxable footprint this year without ever leaving town?